If I ask you to guess what these words describe, self-service cars, easily accessible and available everywhere, what would you say? Car sharing. Okay, that was easy, it was written in the title. With car sharing, you have a car but you're completely free. No insurance to buy, no maintenance, no parking problems. Even better, if you don't have to buy a car, there's no need to argue with your loved ones about which colour to choose. And that's not nothing. Honestly, Mars Red is a lovely colour. Wouldn't you agree? Moving on. One of the greatest modern love stories is the electric car and car sharing. They go together perfectly. Trips taken with car sharing being often for specific one-off journeys are rarely for long trips, so no need to recharge along the way. In terms of quality of life, electric cars are silent and they don't produce exhaust emissions. Interesting, especially for car sharing in the city. Finally, since electric cars recharge right where you park them, there's no need to go to a gas station before returning the shared vehicle. I told you that electric cars and car sharing were made for each other. Now, I have to let you go. I'm going to be dinner sharing with some friends tonight, and I'll be sure to let them know what's up to. Now that I think about it, Arctic White, whilst in a completely different style, is pretty sweet too.